Hi, Dr. Ace Thayer here, Balance Focus Neck Adjustments. I'm so stoked to bring this to you today. This is Steve. He's one of my top 5 videos, over 1 million hits. Check that out. He had 18 years of pain that wasn't relieved, that couldn't find any solution to. It hurt him so bad he couldn't play with his kids. I think you'll love that video, and I think you'll love this follow because we showed that there's no placebo effect. There's no temporary fix. He is still feeling great to this day. Steve had a 1999 football injury. He was a linebacker, right? No, he played football in 1999. And linebacker used his head, led with his head, did all the wrong things in football that you guys aren't supposed to do. Never hit with your head, but he did it, right? Anyways, hit really hard. And since then, he got a couple stingers back then. And so low back pain, neck pain, he's got it all going on.
Just really bad sciatica, just pain throughout, weakness in my shoulders, numbness throughout my left side, and I believe it all came from football. Just a lot of hard hitting. I was a wedge breaker into linebacker. It just it all accumulated. So anyway, I'm just pretty messed up. Yeah. I have memory loss. See that? I even forgot that.
Yeah, because he's been in pain for 18 years. He's lost memory. He can't sleep at night. He has constipation. He has severe gas pain all the time. He has dizziness. He has his Bell's palsy thing with his eye twitches. I mean, serious stuff that chiropractic could have helped 18 years ago. You self-adjust all the time, right?
Yeah, I'm always practicing.
Heartburn?
Yeah, I get that.
Numbness in the arms, blah, blah, blah. Anything else you want to tell me? Anything you remember?
Oh yeah, I'll walk into a room and I forget what I'm walking into the room for.
Within seconds.
Yeah, like instantaneously.
Yeah.
I'll be in the middle of a conversation and I forget what I'm talking about.
Gotcha. Anxiety, depression, how's that for you?
Pretty nervous guy, I guess. I'm always biting my nails and, just...
Yeah. Again, lack of sleep causes anxiety. Anxiety leads to depression. Depression leads to memory loss. Memory loss leads to more anxiety. It's a vicious cycle. Right. He thinks he sleeps okay. That's the interesting thing about this. Wait till he's done with this and we'll get to follow up on him. So, Steve, good to see you, man. So tell us how you're doing. Just kind of tell us the whole general thing and we'll go over some of your old symptoms.
I'm doing a hell of a lot better. This guy's a blessing. The whole office, I could say I'm at about 85% now. Before, when I was at like 40% maybe, maybe less than that. I just I have energy. I can get up. I can move around. I'm not in pain like I was all the time. Every now and then it comes back. But I'm good. I can throw my kids on my back now, crawl around with them, and they're a lot bigger now than they were then.
Yes. Why do you feel like this, dude?
I got 2 little boys, and it's been a long. Really, I have never been able to play with them the way I want to.
What has this last year done to your body? I mean, of course you've had some pain come back, but are we anywhere near what you had before you came in originally?
No, nowhere close to that. I'm, like I said, being 85%, like when I was down to the ground,
For 18 freaking years.
Yeah, right? Yeah. I was 18 years of a lot of pain, especially in the neck, shoulders, weakness. I feel stronger. I can run around now. I just feel better overall.
Okay. Again, the big thing that melted everybody's heart out there was that you could pick your kids up and that you didn't have that ability to do before.
Right.
Again, you said you throw them on your back now. What is that like? What is it like to have that ability to just do it anytime you want now?
Oh, well, it's great. It's wonderful. It really touched my heart. It really did. It did it from the first day that you adjusted me. But now I can, like I said, I can do it all with them. I can really enjoy my kids.
Yeah. Again, everybody out there really loved your story and really understood that it was a big game changer for you to come here. But again, a lot of people out there don't believe that chiropractic works, that it actually can have legs, that it can keep going. And so he hasn't. Have you had any chiropractic since then?
No. So I wouldn't go to anybody else.
You haven't cheated on me?
Never, yeah. Never, and I won't. You're the only chiropractor for me, man. And really, it's the method. It's whatever he uses. That's what it is. I wouldn't recommend anybody else.
No, I appreciate that.
And that's the truth.
So the big thing you came in for was low back pain. Where are we at with that? I know you have some.
Yeah,
probably,
some, but nothing compared to what it was.
How about left sciatic pain? Then down the leg?
Yeah.
Does it still go down the leg
it's
sometimes?
No, it's just in the waist region.
Gotcha.
But, you know.
Just be honest. I want you to everybody understand what over a year. I mean, nobody expects me to even help you for over a day.
Right.
They go, I go to my chiropractor and he only helps for 2 days, and that stuff doesn't work and it doesn't hold because you guys are just temporary relief. Again, things are going to go back. Absolutely, muscle memory is going to kick in.
Yes.
But we're here to tell you that a lot of it is held on, right?
Oh yeah.
So hand grip. You had a problem with your hand grip? Or
Yeah,
something?
I'm stronger. Like I said, my shoulder pains.
Strong like bull.
Yeah.
Numbness. Arms and hands.
No numbness.
I'm just going off the symptoms, guys, of what he had before. Weak shoulders.
Yeah, they're a lot stronger now.
Good, yeah, it's cool. I mean, Bell's palsy, your eye. We had
that has actually gone away by the most part. Every now and then I've felt where it would get stuck a little, but
I don't see it.
Good.
So I have to rewind the video, see if it kind of comes in, because I don't see it at all. I don't remember even talking about it, but again, we have it on here. Knee pain. How about your knees?
Oh, no knee pain.
Okay. Anxiety.
I forgot about the knee pain.
Yeah, right? And everybody goes, why do you take such good notes? And no, you guys don't know this, but why do you take so many notes? Why does this exam go so long? Because in the end, I have to create value for my patients. So the value is I keep track of all the things they say. And so when they come back and they go, oh, I don't know if I'm any better. How's that knee pain? Oh, I forgot I even had it. I hear that all the time. So I take good notes, guys, and I understand what they came in with, and I want to know where we're going to. And he even forgot. So last thing, anxiety. Anxiety, yes. What has that been like?
No anxiety.
That was one of the things we had on there.
Yeah.
And how's your sleep doing?
Oh, that's wonderful, man.
Wonderful.
I sleep like a log.
Yeah.
It's all that self-adjustment.
Yeah. Do you self-adjust still?
Every now and then, yeah.
How often do you think now? I'm just kind of curious. Not that I'm endorsing it, guys, but I'm kind of curious what he over a year does. It comes back a little bit. I want to know.
I would say
honestly,
easily once a day.
Once a day, okay.
Yeah.
That has to be that's a ton less than it used to be. So still once a day. Gotcha. Yeah. When I ask you guys, real quick on that, when I ask you guys to stop self-adjusting, it's terrible for you. It creates problems where there weren't problems before. Steve knows that, but again, when you don't get adjusted for a long period of time, the body starts wanting to go backwards in time. So this self-adjusting starts creeping back in your life. It starts here. If he stayed longer away from me, he would still be better than when he came in, but the self-adjusting would start to become more prevalent. Why? Because his body's still starting to go backwards, and it wants to find relief. So a lot of times when people come into me and they start self-adjusting again, that's a warning sign that you need to get adjusted again. So anyways, I wanted to point that out. Good. Beautiful. Wow.
I love that.
Did you miss me, dude?
Yeah, dude, I really did.
That was huge. Good, nice. So we're gonna walk him down the hall real quick. Good. Good. Okay. Remember, no twisting and turning, right?
Right.
Want to sit up? Okay. People are gonna love this video, dude. They can't wait to see what you're doing. He actually got recognized. Where'd you go? At Knoxbury Farm or Disneyland?
Yeah, Knoxbury
Farm. He goes, "You're that dude on. I've seen you before." He goes, "No, you haven't." That's not right here. He goes, "I've seen you before. Seen you before." He goes, "No, I haven't." He goes, "You're that guy. What?" Tell the story.
From the video. From the video. That doctor, I'm like, yep. I'm like, all right.
Funny.
Yeah.
Anyways, thanks so much, man. Good. See you guys next time. That's what it's all about. We're going to continue to get you better. Thanks for letting me do the video. See you guys next time.